Okay, so I just want to show you how to quickly set up the wrist alert. I have the app already installed on my tablet. It works on Apple or Android. So I'll just quickly open it. Hopefully you can see without too much glare. Just allow it to access your media. And then looking for the locations is for Bluetooth. So pretty straightforward, standard stuff that every app asks for. Then it starts opening in the splash screen. And then what I'm going to do here while it loads up is I have the sensor in the sleeve. It comes in stock like that. And it goes on my right hand. So, yeah. Okay. So you wear it like so. And then you use this strap to further immobilize your wrists for extra support. So usually I like to wear it closer to my wrists up here. That way it gives me good comfortable support, but without being really bulky or uncomfortable. And then that's pretty much how it looks like. So once the app loads for the first time, it tells you, it's great for reducing pain, and then just go through all that kind of stuff. So it's basically the phone or tablet will vibrate when you have damaging wrist posture, when you have it down or bent, and just all this really great stuff. The awesome thing is that this wrist sleeve has sensors, and it actually has a therapy program that's for 10 days. It's free. And then if you want to subscribe for the full 90-day program, then there's subscription in here as well. So it's pretty flexible and accommodating for a lot of people. And so I'll just fast forward it through. The phone vibrates and everything like that. It's pretty easy to understand tutorial. And then you just sign in. And let me just sign in really quick. Okay, so after you sign in, it asks you for all sorts of things, like hopefully you can see this, but your other pains that you have, such as maybe it's the neck, maybe it's your back or things like that. In this case, I have severe neck, back, and wrist pain, and it'll just go through that. It's pretty slick interface. For me, it's all desktop. Just click all this good stuff. All desktop stuff, and then it gives you a quick tutorial showing you how to access everything. So here is where you select for the interactive therapy sessions. This is where you connect the device, and it's pretty self-explanatory. So then let's get started. So first step is you turn on the sensor. So you just press a little button, it starts connecting from there. And there's a little connection screen here, so you press that, and there's a little video that shows you a little bit more of how to connect everything, but it's pretty simple. Here, then you press this, and from here you can already see that it's already streaming, or advertising. So you just press that. Oops, I press it. You press that button, and it says it's starting to connect everything. And then after that, it's now starting to connect. And it's ready to go. Pretty simple, right? You press that, and automatically, now you have this posture monitoring. If you can see, there's a lot of glare. So it's good, and then it goes bad. And then the phone will start vibrating and it's counting up. And the cool thing is that when you have damaging wrist posture for more than 5 minutes, for instance, then it'll prompt you, the app will prompt you to do exercise to prevent the pain from occurring. So I'll actually just show you, what the therapy sessions look like, because that's also really cool too. So I'm in day 1 now. I just press a button there. Make sure the volume's all the way up, and it gives you a little tutorial explaining like what the program entails and things like that. So you know you can read that on your own time. It'll ask you what kind of pain you have, at what level, and it uses this to help understand how to solve your pain. So right now I have pretty bad pain, and then here is okay. Alright, sorry I had to turn my background off, but anyway, here you can see this is a video here, and I'll just do a quick exercise with you guys.
Hi, welcome to
So this is the Connected Therapy Program. Oh, and it looks like I have bad Wi-Fi, but 1 second. From there, this connects to the phone and walks you through the exercise.
Taking the hand, reaching it forward. You're going to take your fingers and weave them through.
And from here, it just walks you through the therapy program. You just go do all that kind of stuff.
Tall, drawing the shoulders back, reach out.
And there's a relief score, and the longer that you stretch, the higher this relief score. So you always want to improve that over time. And if you get a higher score, then you'll have less pain over time. But apologize for my bad Wi-Fi
The
here.
belly rises. And as you exhale, draw the belly. 2 more deep breaths here. As you inhale.
Alright, well my Wi-Fi is pretty bad, but I think you guys get the picture. But thanks for watching.